In this tutorial, we will be learning how to import a CAD file from AutoCAD to Revit. Let's take this CAD file of a floor plan with all its layers and import it to the Revit project. Go to Revit and open a new project using the architecture template. We will be importing a ground-level drawing from AutoCAD to Level 1 in Revit. Go to the ribbon and press Insert. Under the Insert category, you will find two ways to bring in the AutoCAD file, either by Link KIT command or Import KIT command. The main difference is that in the Link KIT command, if the original CAD file is changed in AutoCAD, these changes will be automatically reflected in the Revit project linked file when reloading the project. So we will press on Link CAD. From the screen, choose the file you need. For color, choose black and white. For layers, let's just select all. And for import units, choose the original units of the linked CAD file. Make sure you are linking the file to the correct level and press Open. The linked file will be placed in the origin position of the CAD file and pinned in place. To move it, you just unpin the link and move it to the desired position and then repin it back. Now that we have the link as an underlay for Level 1, let's begin by drawing our axis. You can use the Pick tool and click on the grid lines of the linked CAD file. This will generate the grid in your project. Let's adjust the parameters in our grid family to show the bubble on both ends of the axis. Now we will pick the horizontal grid. Make sure to change the symbol of the first axis to be alphabetic, then continue clicking the rest of the axis. Now we will start drawing our walls. Let's check the thickness needed for the external walls to create a wall family with a matching thickness parameter. Now go to Architecture and choose Wall. Let's pick a generic wall and edit its type. Click Duplicate and rename the wall as per the required thickness. Then go to the parameters and modify the thickness parameter. Click OK and start drawing your walls. Adjust your preferences and choose where your wall will end. Also choose the way you will be drawing the wall. Start picking your wall start point. You will find that the Snap tool is dealing with the linked file as if it was a Revit family. Continue drawing your exterior wall, then press Escape when finished. If at any time you want to temporarily hide the linked file, just click it and right-click your mouse. From the Hide in View command, choose to hide it by category. To reveal the hidden link, go to the Reveal Hidden Elements icon at the base of the screen and press it. Choose the link revealed in red color and right-click your mouse. Choose the Unhide in View command and unhide by category. Return to the Reveal Hidden Elements icon and press it to end the command and return to the drawing screen. And this is the way to link a CAD file to your project and use it to create your project plan. See you next tutorial.